In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this adorable mirror dangle. I'm going to be using one of our kits from myprettyposhprincess.com for this tutorial. It includes everything you need, including the guide wire. A couple of tools that you'll want to have handy are a lighter, one of our needles, some scissors, and some needle nose pliers. Let's get started assembling our rear mirror dangle. To begin, I'm going to use this guide wire to get that 20mm rhinestone onto our cord. We folded the cord in half and now we're pulling it through. Where you see the loop, you're going to tie a standard knot and pull it to the very end, and that's going to secure that 20mm bead right onto your cord. Next, I'm going to sear the edges of the cord just so that it's easier for me to get it onto that 70mm beading needle. Now I'm going to start threading, using the needle, all of the beads in the desired design onto the cord. I'm going to begin by putting that 65mm silicone ring right above the 20mm rhinestone. Then I'll put my silicone beads that I want to be in the middle of that ring. So I'm going to go ahead and string all three of those. Next, using that needle, go ahead and pull the cord through the other hole in that 65mm ring. Now your design is in the middle. Totally adorable. You'll continue this process and put the rest of the beads onto your cord. Once the rest are on, you'll tie a basic knot at the top of that. With the connecting part facing outward, put one clasp on each cord, tie knots to length, sear the edges, and you have a really cute dangle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Find everything that you need on myprettyposhprincess.com.